The lock to the right of the island is the means by which boats make the change in level from one side of the weir to the other. It consists of a chamber with a set of heavy gates at either end. Set within these gates below water level are sluice gates which allow the emptying and filling of the chamber and the subsequent raising or lowering of boats. Towards the right-hand end of the weir is the salmon ladder, this being a narrow channel divided lengthways by a series of baffles which slow the water down and cause slight backflow, assisting the migrating salmon in their arduous journey to the source of the river. Salmon were successfully reintroduced to the Thames in 1982 after a long absence, and they have become firmly re-established since then. This is mainly due to the cleanliness of the water these days, the Thames in fact being now officially recognised as one of the world's cleanest metropolitan rivers, that is to say one which flows through major towns and cities. This was not always the case though, and a few decades ago the river was so badly polluted that it was declared dead in the London area, in that no fish or bird life could survive in or around the water. In London during the late 1800s, the smell of the river was unbearable to those who lived or worked near it. Diseases such as typhoid were rife, and this period was known as the Great Stink. Although things improved slightly after this time, the main clean-up began in the 1950s, and the colour of the water is deceptive. Despite looking dirty, the brownish tint is caused by naturally occurring sediment and microorganisms. Having turned around, we now embark on the downstream leg of our journey, which would take us to London and then on to the North Sea, and for the same reasons as mentioned before, the journey from here to central London would take in the region of 12 hours, as we'd need to pass through 9 blocks. As we cruise along the tranquil Thames, you may be interested to know that our boats are available for a range of trips, including private hire. Our comprehensive timetable gives details of all our scheduled public departures, covering the Thames between Maidenhead and Hampton Court, so please take one either from the leaflet dispensers on board or from our ticket office. These trips and more are also available for group bookings, and we have a separate brochure detailing group hire. What could be better than enjoying a ploughman's lunch or cream tea whilst taking in scenery such as this? You can even make a full day of it by combining a boat trip with a visit to Savile Gardens or Beaconscott Model Village. Boats can be chartered day or night for private functions, whether it's a birthday party,